Good morning, everyone. T-Speaker 222 XRP Future Millionaire with the side bet on XLM and Future DGB OG. So, guys, there's a lot to talk about. First, if you guys were paying attention to the gold, you could have got out like I did with B2 Gold in the 490 range yesterday, because I told you guys in my update that this shit was going to tank. The gold, silver, commodities was initially going to have a sell-off because of what was going on. The US dollar keeps going up. It's up to 91.713. You heard yesterday they're not going to stop the rise of interest rates. They don't care about inflation, so it's going to go nuts. So gold initially is having the first response. Gold, silver, platinum, and copper, which is normal. Like I said, it was something to be expected. That's why I told you guys to pay attention. But unfortunately, that video only got 275 views when I had the breaking gold news. I talked about Fortuna Silver Mines, how it was going to get hit hard. I talked about how B2 Gold and all the rest were going to get hammered. And they're getting hammered today. Fortunately, I got out of B2 Gold at $4.82. So I saved 5%. I expect it to get a little worse before it gets better. We could have like the 10 days of hell in gold, as they call it, and silver and the commodities markets. So we're going to run through this real quick, and then we're going to talk about a potential buying opportunity in crypto. So the Dow Jones is down 125 to 33,908. The dollar's index is up 31 cents to 91,706. Crude oil is up 0.5% to 71.61. Our commodities and gold and silver are getting hammered due to the news yesterday by Jerome Powell, biggest scumbag you'll see. Silver's down 85% to 26.04. Fortuna Silver Mines. Well, gold's down 31 to 17.79, 32 bucks. Platinum's down $33 to 1,085. Silver's down 83 cents to 26.07. This is down like 12%, guys. Fortuna Silver Mines is getting hammered at $6, down 5.5%. Copper's down 0.10% to $4.25 a pound, which is the lowest it's been in several months. Barrett Gold's down 4.59% to 21.42. B2 Gold's down 4.86% to $4.61. Kinross is down 5% to $6.76, down $1 from just 2.5 days or 3 days ago. Yamana corrected itself. I told you it was too highly valued. It's down 5.50% to $4.64. I also told you Hecla had to figure itself out. It had a way too high P of over 245, and now it's down another 5.5, or what is it, down 7.07%, down to $8.15. It was up at $9.40 just 2 days ago. AU's down 1.45% to 50.88, and GPL's down 2.86% to 0.6761. Guys, these are tremendous buying opportunities. I'm waiting to see where it corrects. I'm hoping to get B2 Gold on sale another maybe 4.5-5% because it was late to the party. RDSA is up 0.07% to 41.70, and these are your foreign exchange oil and stocks on the foreign stock market. And VOD's up 0.22% to 18.55. So guys, that's not why I'm coming on. I'm coming on now because I think we have a buying opportunity. I think we're going to kick up one more time. I don't know, though. This is very tricky. I don't know if you guys are going to want to take the chance. I don't know if I'm going to. I still haven't made up my mind. But things have been holding pretty strong. I think we could get one more retest down here. But if we can get just a little bit of volume, I think we're going to push up. And that's why my line's up there at 39.6. That's where I expect it to get back up to and retest one more time. What does that mean for your independent stocks? Well, your cryptos, I don't know. What I think is going to happen is exactly what I said yesterday. I think we can have a retest. We had a healthy pullback right there. We're hitting at the midpoint. This is a traditional left shoulder in the 1 minute, or the start of a up structure. And then we'll work our way up to here. I have the 89.90 line drawn because I think that's where XRP is going, and then we're going to get rejected. What does that mean for the rest? That means XLM would make that push. It's got that same type of down. It could do something like this. Trade sideways and push up one more time. I think we're going to make our way back up to here before overall collapsing. To me, it's not worth it. So I'm not going to be getting in it. See how they all have the same formation? This tells me that we're going to have a manipulated push up here in short term. And we might do something like this. And then you got to find one that's going to be worth it. I think we could get up to about 11, 11.5, somewhere in this range for ZIL. V-Chain's the same thing. We're building these same formations. So if you want to take a gamble to see if we can get up to these spots, it's or this spot would be worth it if we could just form something and then come crash down. From 10.8 to 11.8, that's about 10%. But if we can't get a good spot, I think what I might do, because I love DGB and I don't care if it goes down, so I might once again take a gamble that DGB might look something like this as the day goes on, and it's going to work its way up to 5.7, and then maybe take one more push up here before getting overall rejected at the double top of this pattern at 6.2. That's what I might be playing today. It's holding very strong in the mid levels, and this is why I said yesterday I'm trying to find us the best spot possible to enter a position. And honestly, I think this might be the best spot to enter a position. If we were going to take a gamble, they're all creating this little inversion on the way down, and then they created this little, like I keep saying, they created something like this, so you might get something like this as the day goes on, and then it'll crash. How high it goes up, I expect H-bar to try to test that 22-cent mark. You know, so this goes for all of yours. Some of them, like Quant, they're starting off a little bit quicker. Yes, I added Quant for all of you guys, and I do have a projected target where I wouldn't touch this for a long-term hold. And I want you guys to see it. It's right down here, but I do expect it to come down around that $23 level. So those are long-term targets. I know it looks crazy, but when the market collapses, that's what's going to happen. Theta's up 6.88%, so I expect most of these to be up 6 to 10%. So if you want to take a gamble, now would be the time. T-Speaker222 XRP Future Millionaire with the side bet on XLM and Future DigiByte OG. Stay alert, stay cautious, and understand this might only be an 8 to 12% push. So if you want it, get in now. I'm going to personally take my gamble on DGB. I'm going to show you guys live on air once again. And if I lose money, I lose money. But DGB is part of my long-term holdings, and I would like to try to build this up even if I can only make... I'm going to lose about $100 right off the bat. It's just that simple. So I'm going to need DGB to get up, you know, to 5.7 before I can get back to even. But DGB is a long hold for me. So I'm going to go 37.10. I'm going to get even more than I had before. As you guys can see, I only had 63,000 at the most. So I gained another 2,000 DGB without adding any money. It's going to cost me, it's a 1.5% cheaper than it was just yesterday at the same time. It's going to cost me an arm and a leg to do this. I acknowledge that. So I'll probably only have 35 something left. Okay, I can live with that. 106 bucks for 65,000. I can definitely live with that. I feel good about that. So I got to make up 106 bucks. So I think this is the lowest spot we can possibly get, and I love DGB. Like I said, if it goes down to 3 cents and I was still in position, I would just buy a whole bunch more. So T-Speaker222 XRP Future Millionaire at the side bet on XLM and Future DigiByte OG. If you want to donate, links in the description. I know I've earned it from you guys. Don't be shady. Don't hold those pocketbooks because it keeps me motivated. I do a lot of work. And once again, I'm going to show you guys where I'm the best in the business. If you want to join Tom's Army, links also in the description, and I highly encourage it. Stay true, stay blessed.